Control number 41534, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Mom and Sir. I'm Jenny Asog. I'm a single, 34 years old. I have 3 kids, 17 and 11 years old, 7 months old. I have 7 brother and 1 sister. I'm a second, and I'm a high school graduate at the Calabanga National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money for the future of my 3 kids.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
I've been in Saudi Arabia. I'm 1 year and 2 months.
What kind of work you had in Saudi Arabia?
I'm a babysitter and take care of a pet and cleaning house all around.
Do you have experience in taking care of an old person?
Yes, I have experience. Give them bath, change diaper, give them vital sign,
Aside from your daily household work, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
tutorial and sewing, baking, and cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Filipino foods, adobo, menudo, or Spanish, spaghetti and pasta.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I'm honest and good worker.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How did they treat you?
She's good and she's treat me like a real family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Hope if you choose me, Sanani, I will do my best and I work hard. Then I will finish my 2 years and more. Thank you.